bought it. I bought my right shade. Oh, much amount. So basically the plan is to find the base that I want for myself, the shade from the app, and try to buy it and see how it looks in original, how accurate it is. So basically what I'm going to do is find my shade, start now, allow. You can see on the side of the screen. Okay. You can even see the before after. I don't know if you're able to see. That's it. Let's see. So I basically bought the three stuff: the foundation, the concealer pack, palette with like corrector, it's like an overall, and the setting spray. This was additional. About the foundation, when I tried for this one, find my shade in the app, it showed me the exact shade that she tried on me, and she said that this is your shade. Basically, so it was correct for this one, but for the other that I did not buy, and I don't remember the name of it, but I will write it down. For that one, it was something like fluid or something. For that one, the shade was a bit more cold on me, according to her. To be honest, I was not finding it. If I would be alone, if I would have been alone there, I would have not noticed the difference, that it looks a bit colder on me. The Find My Shade facility that MAC has given you works if you are using it a proper way. I think for that app, the best is you are facing a natural light, like directly to the window. Like I was literally outside the window, there was no direct light. Obviously you have to think that should be no direct light, but should be like a smooth light. I don't have a direct sunlight in my house, so my window was a perfect light for me. The next try is to try it on. You always have to shake it well. We always forget, but you always have to shake it nice. Shake it, baby. I'm not taking it much, to be honest. Just this much amount. I forgot to put the primer. Anyways, I have a sunscreen on, and I put a moisturizer and sunscreen like maybe 2 hours ago. I think it should be fine. Anyways, I think it's gonna just let's see. I have put my foundation, and now I will just tap it with my brush. I don't know if you all can see, but it's like the most natural finish. You can always build it up by putting more. And you always take it down, okay? Always take it down your neck, because we don't like it. I know I should be looking at the camera, right? And I'm always looking at myself. In this whole video, I will be looking at somewhere else and not into you guys. I'm sorry. It's exact my shade. It's literally exact my shade. The concealer thing, I would love to do it here in front of you guys, but I don't want to make fun of myself because this is something very, very, very new to me. I never concealed before ever. Always did my friend on me, so this is the first time I'm using it and I have really no clue how to use it. So these two you do to cover the dark spots, and then from these four you contour. I'm too scared to do it right now. I cannot. This is the setting spray that I bought. Let's try to use this I can use. Okay, so they say 12-inch. She told me it was without fragrance. I don't know what smell. I don't know what smell is this, but it's not that bad. Do you guys see? It's my shade. So for me, the good suggestion is take a direct light, but not like the direct sunlight, but the direct soft light without any obstacle or without anything. Just like a glass would be okay if you don't, but like glass with like a lot of big borders where the light blocks and comes, and where especially if it changes the atmosphere inside right before the evening, not too evening because it's a golden light, okay? It will change the light and it will change the tone of your skin, so it will not give you the correct shade. From this, let me know how did you find my video. It's my first video, spare me if I was not giving you a specific details. I will make sure to give it next time, but let me know. Ciao, ciao.